Welcome to ArtGate. My name is Brendan McNaughton. I'm the co-founder of this platform. So what is ArtGate exactly? It's an art district in the metaverse. So the same way that you might go to Chelsea Art District or the Soho Art District, and you'll walk down the street, open the door and go into a gallery, you'll see people, you'll see artwork, and you'll make all these connections. Exact same thing, except for rather than going to one of those physical locations, you put on a VR headset or you open up a laptop to come in. So ArtGate is a district in the metaverse. Today I'm going to show you how you can enter it, how you can look at some artworks, and then also how you can set up a gallery of your own. So you can join via a VR headset or a computer. I'm going to show you what it looks like to join via a VR headset. This is the Oculus Quest 2 VR headset. You can get it for about $299 American off of most major electronic stores and online as well. So I'm going to throw on my VR headset and I am going to share what I'm looking at from my firsthand perspective so you can see what I'm talking about here. So this is what it looks like in the metaverse. When you have the VR headset on, you can see your digital hands in front of you. I have this beautiful sunset here. This is my home area in the metaverse. And what I'm going to show you is how you enter ArtGate through all of this. So this is what it looks like when you're in the ArtGate district. So there's people around, there's artwork around. So you can see the blue, the purple, the red avatars. Those are all real people. They're joining this district via their VR headsets or laptops. So you can actually see them, you can talk with them, you can shake their hands, even though they might be on a different continent from you. It's an incredible experience when you're in a room with dozens of people that are from all over the world. So that's really at the core of what we're doing at ArtGate, is we're making it easy for people to connect with each other and for them to connect with art. So this is a group tour. They were just going on a gallery hop together. They go into one exhibition space after the next, and that's what a lot of people do. So that's what it looks like when there's a group of people. I'm going to go and load up ArtGate right now. So these are all different virtual reality experiences that I can go into. We're going to click on ArtGate and go into that experience. So it might take a second to load up because I am doing a video recording and casting and all of this. But when it does load up, it's going to bring me into the main lobby of ArtGate. So here we go. I can choose my avatar color. I can set up my nickname in VR. I can add my email address in there as well. So blah, 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 blah. There we go. Here's a little welcome message, and the controls are right here. It's very simple. So you move with your left joystick, you rotate with your right joystick. The A button opens up the menu, and you use the triggers to select. If you're on the laptop version of ArtGate as well, there will be instructions with how you navigate around, but it's just with the arrows and with your mouse to look around, and then the space bars to open the menu. So I'm going to select this blue avatar, click get started. Great. So I'm in here. So I can see there's somebody in the main lobby just over there. Looks like they're on the laptop version. So I can see my hands in front of me. I can see other people. All of these white squares in the main lobby here, they're actually doorways that bring you into different collections from around the world. So we have Smart Curators as a group from Europe. We have Loam Fund. They have great glitch art and NFTs based out of New York. Divide by Zero collection from Hong Kong. So it's a very, very international group through this main lobby. And beyond the main lobby, you can also access more galleries through the menu. So I just pressed the A button and that opened up this menu, and I can load up more galleries, click on them. It tells me information about the gallery. And when I click visit exhibition, it just loads me right in. So you can either walk through the doorway off the main lobby to get into a gallery, or you can select a gallery through the menu in order to come in. So that's the way that you can enter the galleries. This is hashtag gallery that we went into. So this is an example of a sculptural installation that they have up in the main lobby or in their gallery space. And then they have photographic works that are hung up on the wall. So this is what every room looks like in ArtGate, with exception to a few custom spaces. It's these beautiful hexagonal spaces. You have the ability to put artwork up on the wall, two-dimensional works, whether it's photographs, video, digital work, painting. You exhibit those up on the wall. For sculptural works, you can put up to 5 on the floor in each gallery space. So this is a perfect example of that. And then you have the exhibition statement in every single room. So they have the gallery name and some information about the current exhibition. And if I were to walk through this doorway, it will bring me deeper into the collection. So some galleries, they have one room. So that means if I walk through this doorway, it's going to bring me back into the lobby. Some galleries have 2 rooms. So that means if I walk through this doorway, it will bring me into room 2. And then when I go through the doorway again, it will bring me back to the lobby. And some galleries have 5 rooms. So that means I can go 5 rooms deep. So this is the structure of the ArtGate district. It's organized off of a main lobby and through the menu. And then you can go into the galleries that are organized in between 1 and 5 rooms, depending on the gallery that they have. So you can look at the artwork, get up nice and close. You can see all the detail. It really depends on the artwork and the file that you upload. If it's a very high resolution image, then you can see incredible detail down to the weave of a canvas. If it's a very low quality file, then it will look blurry when you walk up to it. And then if you want to get some more information, you just click on the info. It will pull up this, this panel here. And any information that I want to know about the artwork, I can see here. And if there is a link out to the page on the laptop version, you can click inquire, and it will bring you directly to any URL that the gallery has set for you. So this is ArtGate. I'm going to take off my VR headset now, and I'm going to open up my laptop and show you how you actually upload a gallery like this. Okay. So to create an exhibition, you go to our website, artgatevr.com. If you're new, you're going to want to apply to open up a gallery. So at the header there, I just clicked exhibit. So artgatevr.com. And then at the very top, you can exhibit, download. We post about our big major community events, and then there's the event schedule as well. So if you're new, you're going to want to apply to open up a gallery. So click on exhibit, click on gallery application, apply now. It's just a few questions, and you should have a response within 2 weeks of your application. And there's information about what the spaces look like, how the layouts exist. And then you just click apply now, and the committee will review the information that you submit and give you a response within 2 weeks. So if you have been accepted, you can log in or sign up. So this is the login or sign up page. You can use your email to get started, or you can do one-click login with Facebook or Google. That will bring you right in. So I already have an account set up, so I'm going to click sign in. And this is where you create your exhibition. So in order to have your own gallery space in the metaverse, you don't need to know how to code or anything. You just upload a little bit of information about your artworks. You click update, and then we'll all push into virtual reality for you. So this is the main area that you're going to be focused on here. And after you set up your gallery, you can create events. But first, you want to set up your gallery. So for a new one, you just click new gallery, type in information about your gallery here, and that's how you will get started. I'm going to show you an existing gallery I have set up. So here is an existing gallery that I have set up. So there's a gallery name, the statement. Once you have your gallery, it will give you more options. It will allow you to add artworks into your gallery. So this is what it looks like when you have a few artworks uploaded into your gallery. You can click on the artworks to edit them. So here we go. There's all the information, save changes for any edits. If you want to add a brand new artwork, you just click create new artwork. It's going to ask you some information about your artworks. If it's a video piece, you can upload a URL. If it's a 3D file, you can upload your 3D files. And if it's a two-dimensional artwork that's going to hang up on the wall, like a photograph, a painting, digital artwork, you just upload a JPEG image. And then you click save, and then it will show up in your database. Exactly like this. So once you have a few artworks added up into, once you have a few artworks loaded into your gallery, you then want to organize them into the rooms. So here are the different rooms. If you want to change a room, here we'll look at this one. You can edit and manage them. So you have your list of artworks. You can drag and drop to reorder them. If you want to add new artwork, you just click add new, you search for the artwork. There we go. And then you click add and it will go into your list. The room that we went into, the title of the room and the description that was up on the wall, that's all set here. When you click save, it will save it in virtual reality for you or in the metaverse for you. And that's about it. So right now, all of these rooms are set to live. By default, they're going to be set to hidden. You're going to see here is this gallery current subscription allows for 7 rooms. You're going to see that it will allow for 0 rooms to begin with. So you won't have the ability to set any of your rooms to live. In order to be able to do that, you have to choose which gallery package you want. So select lease, add your payment method. And then once you've done that, you're going to be able to choose a few different options for how many rooms that you'd like to add onto your gallery. And that's pretty well that. Once you do have your gallery set and live, you can put your VR headset on and you can access it through the menu to begin with. And then if you do have a gallery space off of the main lobby, you will see that after a few days. And then if you don't have your VR headset, you can open up the laptop version and see your gallery. Another helpful thing is after you have set your gallery up, I would highly, highly recommend to create an event for your new gallery. Just click on create event. It will give you a form that you submit, and that information will get reviewed. And once it's approved, it will show up on our website. So I'll show you where it appears. So artgatevr.com. So set your gallery, create your event, and then your event on the header here at the very top. This is our events page. Once you've created your event, it will show up here. And click on your event. You'll have your own separate page. People can add it to their calendars. All the information about it is here. So this page here, just copy and paste that, share that over Twitter, LinkedIn, wherever it is your community exists. So share this page out, and there's joining instructions for anybody that is new, how to download ArtGate. And this is the main way that you get started. So you upload your artwork, you select how many rooms you want, and then you set your gallery, then you schedule an event. And that is pretty well that. So I look forward to seeing the galleries that you do put together. And I hope we cross paths soon in the metaverse. Thanks for joining us.